Hi, my name is Jordan, and I'm studying computer science here at Michigan State University. I've been blind since birth, but I've never let my blindness define me or stop me from pursuing my dream of becoming a software engineer.
Text found.
Find 428, South Charlene button, double tap to activate.
When I use a computer to write code or to access information, I navigate using keyboard commands rather than clicking with a mouse. When I use my phone, I use a series of gestures to navigate, such as swiping from left to right or double tapping on an item to select it. Even though my computer reads text aloud, it's still a challenge for me to access printed text on a document such as a business card or a class assignment if it's not in an alternative format such as Braille. However, there are applications out there on the market that can convert printed text to spoken word using optical character recognition. The Intelligent Real-World Text Recognition application is a universal Windows 10 application that uses this kind of OCR technology. To my knowledge, there's not currently any applications of this nature available on the market for Windows 10, so this has made working on this application and developing it very exciting and rewarding. I'm really excited about the functionality of this application because it will enhance the productivity and the lives of those with disabilities by providing us access to text in our everyday lives.
After Jordan scans the business card, the app switches to the results page, displaying all captured text and its respective actions. The first action Jordan comes across is the option to read all text. The read all text action is the first option that is presented to any user after the OCR engine has recognized text. This is incredibly helpful for those who are learning to read, those who have reading disabilities, or even for those who simply want text read to them while they multitask.
Text found. Make checks payable to AO/Synchrony Bank.
When Jordan clicks the Save button, the phone number is saved to her local device, as well as to the Microsoft Azure cloud. Everything that Jordan saves is tied to her Microsoft account. Since Windows 10 users likely already have a Microsoft account, there is no need to make a new account for this application. Once the real-world text recognition app is launched for the first time, the user will be prompted to log into the app with their Microsoft account, which the app will remember for later use. However, if the user has no internet connection or chooses not to log in, they can save recognized text exclusively to their local device. Jordan will now be able to access the phone number on her Windows phone at a later time. For now, let's just send an email.
Text found.
When Jordan clicks the email button, the Windows 10 mail client will be launched, and an email will be started using the address as the recipient. Each type of recognized text has an associated type-action pair. Type refers to a regex expression that allows recognized text to be matched to distinct patterns. For example, an email address will always have an @ symbol and end in something like .com or .net. A phone number will always have 3 numbers, a hyphen, and a following 4 numbers, with an optional area code at the beginning. Action refers to what the application can do with the matched text, as well as a reference to what other application on the device needs to be launched. The type action pair associated with an email launches the email client, while the pair related to a street address launches the Bing Maps application. This application has type action pairs matching to phone numbers, email addresses, UPS shipping numbers, physical addresses such as businesses or homes, Twitter hashtags, and web addresses. Text that does not fall into the aforementioned categories will be put into a type action pair that simply allows the user to have the text read aloud. In the future, other recognized options can be included by simply adding additional type action pairs.
This will take all items stored in her local device and synchronize them with what Jordan has saved to the cloud. Now that she has access to the recently saved text, she can select the phone number and then call it.
Oh, it's time to give Sparty a call here. Let's hope he answers.
Other. Sign in to refresh button, double tap to activate. Email category. Selected. Phone category. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Call button, double tap to activate. Call 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 on SIM.
Hello, Sparty? Hi. I just want to thank you for coming to our celebration today. Everyone had a great time. Okay. Go green. Thanks. Bye.
While the real-world text recognition app offers many benefits to those who have visual, learning, or reading disabilities, it is also helpful to many others. For example, our app can be used to recognize unfamiliar hashtags on Twitter.
Or open URLs using your default browser.
Text found.
Or read aloud any other type of general text.
Our intelligent real-world text recognition app uses a device's camera to find text in the real world, recognize what it is, and then perform a task depending on the format of the text. For example, if our app recognizes text as a phone number, it offers to call it or save it. If it sees an email address, it can send an email. If our app recognizes a street address, it gives the address to Microsoft's Bing Maps. A useful feature of our app is its ability to read text out loud for the visually impaired or someone learning to read. Our app is a universal Windows 10 application, which means that it runs on any Windows 10 platform including phones, tablets, laptops and Raspberry Pi devices. Users can save recognized text to the cloud and access.
I have been friends with Jordan since our freshman year of college, and she has always stressed the importance of developers not only to acknowledge, but to be proactive in making their software accessible to everyone. I think I can speak for the entire team that our project really hit home for us just at how important this truly is. If the developers truly take the time, any application can be made accessible. While building our real-world text recognition, we quickly learned that there are many ways to make a user interface and to make it look good, but only a few ways that are truly accessible with narrator and other screen reader equivalents. Because of this Capstone project, it has become a very important part of who I am as a software developer. A special thanks to TechSmith for creating a unique project that was challenging in ways we didn't expect, and also a big thank you to Jordan for being patient and instilling your passion for usability in each of us. That passion is something that is not openly taught, and I'm incredibly grateful to have had this experience for that.
Bing, Intelligent Real-World Text Recognition Application. Team TechSmith. Jordan Castor, Debian Deb, Max Miller, Whitney Mitchell, Cody Pearson. Client Contact. Michael Bell, Austin Gregory, Dean Craven. Special thanks to Dr. Wayne Dakeson, Angela Sun. Attribution. Marcus Neely. Music. Camtasia Studio. Video editing. Thank you for watching. Exiting. Intelligent Real-World Text Recognition Application.